In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update contacts in Mailchimp. Keeping your audience data accurate is essential for targeted campaigns and reliable reporting, and the good news is that updating a single contact takes just a moment. I'll walk you through the exact flow, show you where to make changes, and point out a few tips so you feel confident as you go. Start by opening Mailchimp and heading to your main dashboard. From there, look for the navigation labeled Audience. This is the home for your contact list and all of the information associated with it. When the audience page opens, you'll see your contacts laid out in a table. If you manage multiple audiences, take a quick glance at the name displayed to make sure you're working in the correct one, since your changes will apply to the audience you have open. Next, select the specific contact you want to edit. Clicking on a contact takes you to their profile page, which gives you a complete view of their details and activity. You'll see things like engagement history, tags, and the core details that identify them within your database. On this profile page, locate the section labeled Contact Information. This is where Mailchimp stores the key fields for the person you selected. It typically includes items like an email address, a phone number, a company name, and any other profile fields your audience uses. We're going to make our updates right here. To begin editing, click the Edit button within the Contact Information area. This switches the section into an editable mode so the fields become active. You'll notice the interface is designed to prevent accidental changes, so nothing updates until you explicitly save. Click into the phone number field to make your adjustment. Type the updated number carefully and make sure it follows the formatting standard you use across your audience. Consistency helps with segmentation and deliverability for SMS or phone-based workflows. If your organization uses international formatting, include the appropriate country code. If your team prefers dashes, spaces, or parentheses, match that style so your data stays uniform. Take a moment to review what you've typed before moving on. Now click into the company field and enter the correct company name. Stick with the official spelling and capitalization that your organization recognizes. Consistent naming not only looks professional, but also ensures your segments, reports, and automations tie back to the right company every time. Once you've finished your edits, click Save Changes. This is the key step that commits your updates to the contact's profile. If any field requires a particular format, Mailchimp may highlight it so you can make a quick correction. Otherwise, your changes will be stored immediately. After saving, look for a confirmation message that appears on the screen stating that the contact was updated. That's your reassurance that the system has recorded everything correctly. It only takes a moment to show up, and once you see it, you can proceed with confidence. At this point, you can glance back over the contact information section to visually confirm the new phone number and company name are exactly what you intended. If you notice anything that needs tweaking, you can click Edit again, adjust the field, and save one more time. When everything looks right, you're all set. That's the full process. Open Mailchimp, go to Audience, select the contact, head to the contact information section, click Edit, update the phone and company fields, save your changes, and watch for the confirmation. These same editing steps apply to other fields in the contact information area too, so once you're comfortable with this flow, you can maintain the rest of your profile data just as easily. Thanks for watching and happy updating.